MeghalayaPost.news.
Nagadao ke Jing Bamla Show ban Kyrda ya ke Jing Ngut ba Jing Kam Jing Kipat ba hapo ki constituency wei bom dan Jlang Sha ki langut ki MLA Congress ki bala pau kerteng hakini ki kindiat singi menta ka singi blut ki lami ban penyaso sendan ke parti NPP ke badai ke parti ke balam khmat ban batru yo lakam Sha ke jela kita ki langut ki MLA ke Congress ki kentup yo Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ke Umsning bad arngut ki MLA ki bala syak suspend ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba kentup yo ba Charles Marngar MLA ke Mahoti ba Gabriel Walang MLA ke Nongston. Ya ke jingilang man pedang borom ya kita kilangut ya MLA la pelong man tak jenmit hafiz trekam jeng NPP kabadan haganong ba shlong ya kita ki MLA ki balawan penyeso syak seng NPP man tak jenmit la priang sembah du konrad ki sama ubri national president ke seng haringkat ke jingdon lang state president uba presiden tensong bat kiwe de ke he nong ilam ke NPP lingba kan ni ke jing penyeso kita kilangut ki MLA Congress party man tak dan satang uwei MLA but way MP hak jela kata ba Roni Willingdo MLA Kamaliam constituency lem bat usaleng sama MP Ketura parliamentary constituency
Request Maxlawa to please Taj Ashal. Please. I request Dr. Khaluki to kindly That's what Gabriel.
Jing Songu kalahir. Ngiyo I tangin musliu. Ngimyo I yang babah. Kaya magkwa ban ay ko kubor hakani ke janbe. Ngi don hande ban syakri. Ngi gran chipan ke jing I jai ban riu. Balai buat calon ijat dulu. Lada udon have a National People's Party. Pinang bom ijat dulu show. Ini je ijat. Banganut badong hak ni kesini. Empat don MLA mau hati konsensi. Ubadala dehi hak history juga mau hati. Ulet dala de hak karbi yang long. Arsen lagi benai balada nakam lagi pajba habor. Jindal Jonga ni National People's Party. Sir dah berkurang. Ini Jlang Party. Kano kerana ini shame na nation ma. Nak mendaga jingha, jangan baiklah agak konsensus. Kadang kau wei jing on, jing itu kerana. Agak senang Jonga alam ceri bonding sok manir. Don't wei orang ba abon. Lalu she post nem. Ngiyo di somenir. Mdon priam dan eriong ngileti siyo. Teng-teng ngiklat ban aino yo play. Lada shisnem uwan priam. Ikan maksa. Kaya ika mangut matong hati ni kasi kolong ba. Wait lang bro. Ikikam kibaka NPP kelabit. Jadi kita tahu ngayon I. Panam taka konsensi ke jawabu. Ini tu itu. Bangadon ke jingkerman. Kani ke jingjong-jongnya ke NPP kalau ke jingkerku. Nak kemenang. The Mahati constituency was the one of the backward constituency in Ribha district and also in the state as a whole. Tangini kitin di bakanya. Na ay kulay lang ipi baro, kajing kulay berkerpang. Ikinong yalang kijongi, kileda kijongi. Ya kwa pan yetu ipi. Ba nakaliang kijongi ngila dapat syong meeting mana kung masih hajar mun. Syong jam step ngilong meeting. Aga syong jonga. Dako way kesur. Mday banga aray mo way. Mday collectively decision. We decided to join NPP. Sashi kintin chua buat so. Kalau kinong tray jongi kebeladon lupa. Mana? Sir, I'm here to say something. Now we have two groups, old and new NPP. Orang ni. Tangkawai dengan kuat bertong ni kalau apa. Kalian jangan aku menong ilang. Idon kami yang kecingin cingin. Isu komen ni kecingin idon lang ni idon ilang MPP. Naga blok mau. Ini dah. Ini yang saya. Adjustment should be there. Adjustment should be there. Tang dek ni kita buat. Ya, I play PlayStation Kapto, play Loreng Kapani Baru, play Shpun, play Syah Jarmo, long live NPP.
Nongford constituency expects so much. It is still a backward constituency, not only Nongford, the entire West Kassing. So we have a higher expectation from you, sir. And we have seen the development activities which have done by our Chief Minister, by this government, for the Nongford in the last 5 years, and continue to be continued since I have joined this party. Ngakwaru ban ay kajing kublay korban. Ya, Honorable President, Sir President Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister, Kajinglong President Jopi, Nadu Pengidon Kongres, Pilong Brio Balakloy, Basultanan, Bakloy Penyerap, Barangin Skem, Bakatinya Don Lang Samantale, Bilang Antay Kamhas, Nakabanta, Katalah, Biye Kechumi. Kumjong ay Play, yang Deputy Chief Minister, Snowbalang, Kajing Kuat Borobor Gajopi, Kajing Kundong, Orlok Gajopi, Man Kapuar Kapania Kundo, but Man Bayi Bisha Balay P. Balay Kuat Moy, the Karoy Kapara, or Kotsamsi, Balay P. Sapor Borsham Parkama. He can take Kijopi, Penlong, Jana, and Perkat, Jana, or on Kaladesha. Nakunda and non-stop potency, Naron come, but sacrifice a day, but Shatano, but Shabin, Hakipai Papa. The population bonza, the Kajila Katupi, EMP, Johnny, Wakamuki, Yaron Porlok, Sultanat, Nation bonza, Yaron Karani, Isamondal, but Kuwiki, Emily, and Umjar Kartani, way, the ex Emily, Kiporlok Suda, Kibam Yaron, the Congress Party, Donashua. Kano Gasu, one of Negasu, Kubaka, Kasam, NPP, Karikaju, Kabamilia, Nadu Kipor, Donasha. I'm so persuaded. Masuk kan. Para pengawan ini ke Delhi pemerintah. Kami pengawan Norway. Bagi press room, mengat panmap nafi baru. I wish to express my forgiveness to all the press that we didn't take calls these days. You know, we are open from today onward. You can ask me anything. Why I joined in the NPP. War Pau ya baru ki nongkit kam jong ka NPP. Leishibon baki aikat ka dina jing yang sobang jompi baki adon lang manta. Nang iskam ka jingdon ka jong akan nampan klanya ka parti, bad nyangan tray rabba na kanta ka parti, bangin punulong, ban penpaus ka parti ba. Kai ka baki UI ka NPP baki ka basniu. Nang ka jingdon ka jong kan penbaha ya ka parti. Bad ka jing kublay ka bakkar pangai. Kada ye kini ki perlok joma armor. Club maki dengan nak menjoin di syarikat ini parti. Kublai shibon bachas, kublai shibon doktor, dan club maki armut nganam nak bendon ni, bad bimla, banai kacing sekri makabah ya kacang benreu pada setelah ini kecuri. Aku akan mulai kublai ki perlok ki coba ki dewan enam stone. Desobah dia kita ki perlok jangan awan enam stone. Semua. Kublai shibon na iman baru. Bila kamu dulu dan Muslim keluar. Nasukuman, napik sini sir, the other side are NPP, and the other side are all Congress. But today they have come becoming one, in joining. They are still far now, but they will join together and someday. Nasukuman, kacungan ni, kadang nak kita kacung berkat ke konstitusi. Kami pengawan kami nak berkat lagi. Yang ia dijengah di bawah. Kat kami isni kinandok. Kat kami isni kekam kazam kamdan. Masmo lengai lagi kubu lagi. Bangan su shot kami, bangan su ni, bangan su. Ai yang tahu bangan dari opposition. Nampak apa lagi nak tahu apa. Masmo ba kalau kapok nak bentar sama kalau tahu kami. Kali kata tahu keputusan kau. Ayat kibri kimbeng. I could do keren, yang kepentingan kecuma bisno. And I have a no konsumsi, but you don't come, ya karoi kapa, you don't come there, ya sota.
Expected. What about the third one? I chose to keep silent. And when I look here, in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people who represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left. Kakitin kasi ka ang kumno, yak natin mi ati. You take any road, but take the road that gives the best benefit to the people. No hatred to anyone. But on a personal level, I appreciate the Honorable President of the National People's Party, the National President, who is also the Chief Minister. It is not easy for us to say, I'm leaving my parent party from which I was elected and to join another party. But the good commitment and the faith that we have between the Chief Minister and between us, with the hope that that agreement and commitment that we have will bring changes in our constituency, that paves the way for all things that is happening now. I always dream good for my constituency and always dream of good things for the state. And maybe today, through this government and through the National People's Party, we can make that dream come true. We cannot say that every nook and corner of Meghalaya will become like New York in 5 years' time. No. Development is a journey. But we have to take each step at a time. Problem comes only when you don't take any steps further. That is the problem. So I hope with the combination, the strength of the government that we give by our joining, I think, sir, we are absolute no. Yes. The number is an absolute majority. That number should give confidence to this government. That number should give courage to this government to decide. People may have misunderstanding, but as long as we decide for the good of the people, that courage should see us through this journey. I express my gratitude to all my friends who have come from Umsning constituency, also friends from Nongstoin and Mauhati. Indeed, these last 2 weeks has been very stressful weeks. You don't see it in my face because my gray hair is hiding all that. But stress is there. But I hope this family that we are here now will take us all family. As the national president of the party, I would like to take this opportunity to once again very warmly welcome all of you to the family of the National People's Party. Welcome to NP. Today is indeed a very historical moment for the National People's Party.
It is a historical moment even for the state. As was mentioned by our Deputy Chief Minister, that with the joining and the merging of our three friends who have come and joined us, today the strength of the National People's Party stands at 31 MLAs in the Legislative Assembly, which, as mentioned, is an absolute majority. Friends, while this is a great moment for us as a party and a great moment for us as being part or being the government, I'm humbled, I should say. I'm humbled with the kind of trust, the belief that all the leaders today have shown towards the National People's Party. As was mentioned by Dr. Celestin, that if you look at this row, an entire row, most of the people are actually from the Congress family. And if you put me also in it, though I was not originally in Congress, I joined the NCP as the first political party. But by default, my roots were also through late P.S. Samba in the Congress.
More than 3 weeks, they were so distressful. Even me, CM, and Masoba. But today and this moment, when we go back to our respective places, we close all the challenges and we will continue with this stress. Friends, I will not say much because right now we are fully filled with joy from the party side. Being the state president, especially, I never ever expected that this moment will be able to cross the magic number. Tonight is the historic moment for the party. And this has happened, number one, just because Almighty is always with us. Let us not forget that. The recent MP election has happened. We have seen people, they talk so much about NPP, but still, God has a better plan for the party NPP. In spite of so many challenges we have, now we cross the bridge. As the state president, still I would like to inform all the concerned, any other political parties, our doors is still open for you. Anytime you can come and merge with us. Doors is always open. No matter how you talk, how you throw the stone, but ultimately, the good work that we have tried all these years made people change their mind.
MeghalayaPost.news